This presentation is powered by ERP Works, one of the most experienced Microsoft partners in Australia, with over 25 years' experience in successfully implementing and supporting ERP projects to local businesses across the country. Introducing a new business system can be daunting for both management and staff. Effective engagement with staff on critical aspects of the project could mean the difference between success and failure. There are many benefits to updating to a new business system. It is important that staff are involved at an early stage and provided an insight into the case for change and the benefits the system can deliver. While decision-makers in the business have decided on a new business system, there may be staff who are reluctant to buy into the change. Here are some project activities that may reduce resistance to change and provide a better environment for staff buy into the project. Understanding your staff's capabilities and skills to take on a new system will be important. Having a clearly defined operational and management structure will assist with the assignment of staff to different roles within the project. Knowing your staff will also allow for a greater focus on those that may need additional assistance with the change. Understanding the nuances of what makes up the culture of your business will come in handy. Like the staff diversity in your business, the approach to training can be tailored to address this diversity and provide a better outcome for all staff. Here are some areas for consideration when choosing an approach to training. Consideration of the internal resourcing of the business will be crucial in the progression of the project to completion. Adequate time must be made available for staff involvement in the project, as well as undertaking regular work for the company. Here are a few ideas for consideration which could assist in supporting staff in undertaking project work. An effective approach to training will have immediate and long-term benefits to staff acceptance of the new system. Consideration to the best approach to training for your staff, as there are a number of different training methods which could be applied. As training can be carried out over a period of time, it is important to monitor the effectiveness of the training and to ensure that staff have understood the class material taught. The practical application of the training at a process level is also important, as staff will be expected to apply this practical training in the user acceptance testing phase of the project. We have summarized some key points from this presentation. For more information on approaching system implementation and staff training and management, contact our office via the details below. ERP Works, one of the most experienced Microsoft partners in Australia, is proud to empower businesses like yours to achieve their goals and aspirations.